Infor Track, Employee Type Holiday Setup. The Holidays tab directs how holiday report dates are recognized and how to treat clocked hours on a holiday. The parameters on the Holiday tab are applicable to both clocked and elapsed time employee types. Access to the employee type form can be found from the Administrator homepage. On the Holidays tab on the Employee Type form, there are certain fields that need to be entered. There are utilities within TimeTrack that create holiday absence codes on report dates. Enter a holiday absence code in the Holiday Absence field to define the default holiday absence code for the employees in this employee type. Set Use Holiday Calendar to Yes to use the holiday generator and other absence creation utilities to create holiday absence records on holiday report dates. If this parameter is set to No, the utilities will not create holiday records and the site will have to enter the holiday absence records manually. The holiday report date is configured to adjust when the holiday falls on a non-working day for the employee. Setting this to Yes makes the employees of this employee type eligible for the adjustment. If it is set to No, the holiday report date will be skipped if it falls on a non-working day for employees in this workset. Set Check Eligibility to Yes to validate the employee worked a full day on the last scheduled work day prior to the holiday. If the employee had worked a complete day, the holiday absence record will go into the ready status when it is created. If the employee did not work a complete day, the holiday absence record will go into an exception status. The supervisor can then delete the holiday absence record, substitute a vacation absence type, or authorize the exception. When Allow Clock In is set to No, employees will not be allowed to enter attendance or labor transactions on the holiday report date. When this field is set to Yes, parameters are activated defining how hours entered on a holiday report date will be treated. Set Clocked Hours on Holiday Overtime Eligible to Yes if the hours entered on the holiday report date should count towards the weekly overtime threshold. Set the Clocked Hours work code to define how hours entered on the holiday report date should be categorized. If the selection is overtime eligible, then the overtime method specified in the employee's shift will be applied to the hours entered. If there are employees in the employee type on shifts that are using overtime methods that contain daily components, then specify authorized hours for the holiday report date. The daily overtime and double time thresholds will be taken from here, rather than from the shift configuration. The alternative is to hardcode the categorization by selecting regular, overtime, or double time. For any work code other than overtime eligible, the hours will categorize as the specified work code, regardless of the overtime method specified in the employee's shift. If the hours entered on a holiday report date are eligible for a premium, specify the premium code for each hour's categorization that is eligible. Set Include Clocked Hours with non-holiday clocked hours to roll hours entered on a holiday in with non-holiday hours in the payroll summaries and the payroll extract. Setting Include Clocked Hours with non-holiday clocked hours to No activates parameters that define the hours codes to be associated with each hour's categorization generated by the worked hours on a holiday.